Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you want to finally face the pains or the issues that you have stopping you from living your life the way you want to, how about we see if we can work together and help you unlock the next big thing in your life? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book a time together at ldlcall.com. Let's get you on the road to greatness. But first, here is today's quote. Whatever you want to do it now. There are only so many tomorrows. How much time do you really have left? How much time does anyone have left? That is the question. If you aren't where you want to be right now, isn't that enough motivation to make you start moving? Yeah, sure, you can put it off until tomorrow, and then the next day, but will the tomorrow that you're actually talking about ever arrive?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.